Hello, my name is Dmitry. Today I want to present my project which is called Leaf Generator and tell in details about its functions and also know to use it for your ideas. This project can be very useful for those who don't want to worry about leaves on trees. The project includes the material which has options necessary for realistic settings of leaves. So let's start. If you are going to use standard material, which in the project, so we will talk about it much later. If you want to introduce file leaf, at the beginning you need to load Substance plugin and Marketplace and install them. You must do it because Unreal Engine 4 aren't recognize file leaf. After the installing this plugin, you can open any of your project and replace file in a content browser. Then appears the window of import. We should leave everything in this window by default and press OK. There are 10 files and a content browser now. Leaf inst base color is a texture which can determine the material's base color. Leaf inst normal is a texture which can determine extrusion on the material. Leaf inst metallic is a texture which can determine level of the material's metallic properties. Leaf inst roughness is a texture which can determine the material's level of roughness. Leaf inst specular is a texture which determines the material's level of gloss. Leaf inst ambient occlusion is a texture which can determine the level of gradient shading on leaves. Leaf inst opacity is a texture which can determine the material mask. Leaf matte is a material which can be used of a mesh. You can tune the material at different functions, but setting will be a default. Leaf inst respond for material setting. We can learn this file in details. Insert outputs respond for quantity of maps for the material. The maximum is 7 and the minimum is 1. Opacity is very necessary map because it is respond for leaves form. For satisfactory result, you need to turn on all maps. The next insert inputs allow to tune our material. Output size allows to change map size. Maple mask allows to give shape for maple. Bird mask allows to give shape for bird. Aspen mask allows to give shape for aspen. Raven mask allows to give shape for raven. Damage edge harm by leaves edges. Normal level control level of leaves. Extrusion. Spreading. It means adding shading of leaf. It can look well if you want to do the effect of the leaf's thickness is in the sun. Roughness level control the level of leaf's roughness. We can connect it with rain because of zero meaning of this setting also can make gloss. Leaf color from 1 till 7 tunes the color of leaf's different parts. Leaf color 1 level and leaf color 5 level. Controls mixing color on leaves. Random seed allows to make your leaves different by a random placement of color on leaves. One more important function in file leaves which duplicate all maps and fill leaf inst when you copy it. So you can make and tune separately, few independent from each other materials. So you cannot to import the file, you can use standard materials which was made before in your project with the same settings. I hope this information will help you to understand quickly how to use all this function and allow to create those leaves as you like.